All right, so when we look at this question, okay, we need to use fractions when we're solving problems of this type. So I have a water bottle, its radius is 4 centimeters, its height is 8 centimeters. It's a really tiny water bottle, right? And I drink 3/5 of the water. What's left? Okay, so I drink 3/5 of my water bottle. So if it was full, I drink 3/5 of that. What is left? Well, the first thing we do when we deal with fraction questions, we need the total volume. Okay, we need to figure out how much water is actually there without me drinking anything, without anything. Okay, well, the total volume, we know that volume of the cylinder is going to be, okay, whatever the area is, okay, of that circle, times whatever the height is. So in this case, our area is pi r squared times the height. Well, pi is 3.14. The radius is 4 squared times the height, which is 8. Okay, so now when we plug this in to our calculators, all right, we have 3.14 times 4 squared times 8, which is going to give us 401.92 centimeters cubed now because it's a volume. Okay, so 401 centimeters cubed. Okay, so now that's the total volume. That's how much water is in my water bottle. But I need to figure out, okay, I drink 3/5 of my water, but I'm looking at what's left. I'm not looking at how much I drink. Okay, well, let's split this into 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I drank 3/5. There's 1/5 is gone. There's another 5 is gone. There's another 5. The amount that's left in my water bottle is a different fraction. Okay, this amount is 1, 2. It's 2/5. So actually, the amount that's left, that's 2/5. So 2/5 of my water is left. Okay, but like how much is that? Okay, what's the volume? How much water is it? Well, 2/5, we want to convert this sentence, okay, into a mathematical equation. So 2/5 stays as 2/5. Okay, the word of means to multiply, which is great. And then my water, well, how much water was there in the water bottle? Okay, didn't we calculate that? Oh, right, it was 401.92. And that's going to give us how much is left. So now when we're looking at multiplying fractions, you could either convert 2/5 into a decimal by going 2 divided by 5, or I can do fraction multiplication. The denominator is always 1 when we have a whole number, and then to multiply fractions, we multiply the tops and we multiply the bottoms. So 2 times 401.92 is 803.84. All right, and 5 times 1 is going to be 5. So now we have a fraction, and we were reminded today in class that this sign is, yeah, it's 803.84 over 5, or this also means to divide. So I can divide 803.84 divided by 5, and that's going to give me 160.768. Okay, and the answer is going to be in centimeters cubed. Okay, we want to make sure that our answers are in centimeters cubed. We did that up at the front here, okay, and we were finding our answers for all of our other questions in the previous video.